Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the marathon class for the upcoming CSIR UGC NET examination. So let's wait for the students to join in and then we'll begin with our free lecture series. Okay? Till then, those of you who are there in the class, please let me know whether the audio and the video is clear to you or not. Just confirm it in the chat section. Good evening, Nisha. Okay. Let's wait for just one more minute. Let students join in and then we'll begin with our class. Okay. So today we'll be discussing again few of the questions related to the previous years and we'll be solving them out together. Okay. Okay, so let's begin with the class. Others would join in the time being. So before starting, if you're new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe to Botany Insider. In addition, download the application from the Android as well as from the iOS. It is available on both the devices. In addition, we also have a crash course running for you all if you are sincerely preparing for the upcoming examination, that is CSIR June 2023, and you are finding difficulty in a structured and organized revision. So this course would help you out to understand all the concepts, to get through all the concepts in a very structured manner. So we have a class every single day early morning 8:30 to 10. So you can utilize your early mornings and get the best output of these classes. Okay, so in addition, we also have various other courses running. You can also get the mock test because now it's the time for you to prepare in the best manner possible, and these mock tests would help you out to practice properly. So practice out with the help of these mock tests. In addition, if you're finding difficulty in revising the previous year questions, so we have a previous year question hard copy smart revision booklet. You can WhatsApp us on the number given in the chat section. You can WhatsApp us there and you can place your orders for the hard copy. Okay, so this was about it. This is the very first question for you all. Try to find the answer for this. Good evening, Mansi. Question is, which of the following pairs of the subcellular compartments is likely to have the same pH and the electrolyte composition? So, four options in front of you. First option is cytosol and lysosomes. Second option is cytosol and the mitochondrial inner membrane. Then you have the cytosol and endosomes, and last option is mitochondrial matrix and the intermembrane space. So read the question carefully and then mark the answers in the chat sections, everyone. So it is from unit number 2, that is cell biology. Okay, give it a try to this particular question, everyone. Take your time, read the question, get the answer. Mark the answers in the chat section, everyone, quickly. Then we'll solve it out. Nisha, Mansi, and we have 3 other students, total 5 students in the class. Quickly mark the answers. Okay. D. Others, mark the answers quickly. Okay, let's give it a try. The answer for this particular question is option number B. So remember about this, that it is the cytosol and the mitochondrial intermembrane space which is having the same pH and the electrolyte composition. Okay, remember this thing. Answer is option number B, right? Next question for you all. The next question is, you need to find out the correct order for increasingly lipid bilayer permeability. Okay, so when we study about the plasma membrane, in the plasma membrane there is a specific order via which the molecules or via which the substances could enter into the or cross the bilayer. So you need to find out that what is the correct order for the lipid bilayer membrane permeability. Okay, so give it a try to this particular question. If you put in a bit of logic to it, you will be easily able to mark the answers. Okay, so take your time, understand the question, try to recall, and then mark the answers in the chat section. Okay, give it a try to this question, everyone. A. Okay. Others also, quickly mark the answers. Take your time, get the answer. We have 8 students in the class now. Mansi, give it a try. Jay, you also mark the answer. Nisha and Niharika are marking answer A. Others also, give it a try quickly. Manjeet is marking the answer as A. Very good. Ajay is marking the answer A. Very good. So let's see what is the answer for this question. Answer for this question is yes, option number A. That is, first you have the gas, then you have the alcohol, then water, then glucose, then the ions, and finally the nucleic acid. So remember that the nucleic acid would be entering in the last possible order itself. So you can easily remove C and D. Then first of the main or the first component entering into the bilayer would be a gaseous substance. So if you remember just these two facts, you can easily reach to the answer. First one is a gaseous compound, then ethanol, water, glucose, Ca2 plus, and finally RNA. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Very good, all of you got the answer correct. Next question for you all. The question is, you need to find out which of the following is not a post-translational modification in the mammalian system. You need to find which of the following is not a post-translational modification. So if you read it properly, you can easily mark the answers. 4 options in front of you: A, B, C and D. So try to recall, try to analyze, and then mark the answers in the chat section, everyone. Okay, some of you are marking the answer as A, some of you are marking the answer as D. Everyone, give it a try. Manjeet, write the answer. Nisha has already marked. Niharika has marked. Jay has marked. Others also, quickly mark the answers. Then we'll search out the answer for this. Okay. And today we'll be solving few general aptitude questions also. So wait for those questions as well. Done, everyone? Now let's check the answer for this question. Answer for this particular question is option number C. It is asking which of the following is not post-translational. So peptidylation is not post-translational. It occurs during the translation process, right? What is translation, everyone? Write down, what do you mean by translation? What is the basic definition of translation? Write down. Yes, what is translation? Try to define it in the chat section. Synthesis of protein from the information that is stored in the mRNA. Very good. And in the translation, what do we have? We have the EP and A site of the ribosome. So on the P site, what is happening? The peptide formation is happening. So it happens inside the translation, like it happens during the process of translation. It won't be occurring after translation. So answer for this question is option number C. Remember about it. Okay. Now this is the next question, general aptitude question for you all. Give it a try to this particular question. Question is, which of the following or what is the volume of the soil in an open pit of size 2 meters into 2 meters into 10 centimeters. So this is the dimensions given to you. You need to find out that what is the volume of the soil in the open pit of this particular size. Okay. 4 options in front of you. Quickly mark the answer for this question, everyone. Take your time, read the question carefully and then only mark the answer. Okay, everyone, quickly mark the answers. It was the latest year question, that is the June 2022, which was held in September. So give it a try, everyone. We have 8 students in the class. Quickly mark the answer. Okay, some of you are marking the answer as C and some as D. Others also quickly mark the answers for this question, then we'll solve it out together. Okay, let's take the answer for this question. So the answer for this particular question is option number C, that is 0 meters cube. Read the question carefully. The question is saying what is the volume of the soil in an open pit. If the pit is open, how can it have soil in it? It is asking volume of soil in an open pit. Open pit means something which is hollow. There is nothing in it. And it is asking you the volume, and they have genuinely, intentionally, they have given you these options. That is, 40, 0.4, 4.0. So they have intentionally given you these options so that you mark the answer wrong. So that is the reason why in general aptitude specifically you need to make sure that you are reading the question, because the examiner is playing with our mind. Okay, answer is option number C, and it was the latest year question, that is June 2022. Okay, and if you observe the June 2022, especially the general aptitude portion, every single question that was asked was repeated previously. Like if you anyone would have done the previous year questions and had given the June exam, they would understand that general aptitude was very easy, because in some questions like this was a exact repeated question from previous years. So in general aptitude specifically, questions repetition is very common and very recurring as well. Okay, so remember that for general aptitude specifically, you can rely on the previous year questions, and that is more than enough for your preparation of general aptitude. You need not to buy any specific book, you need not to have any other resource for that. If you are finding difficulty for solving out the question, that is a different kind of help, but you need not to buy a special book for its preparation. Previous year questions more than enough. Even if you go for 15 previous year questions, every question have 20 paper, sorry, every paper have 20 questions, so almost 300 questions, that means almost 300 concepts. That is more than enough for you to get the questions solved in the final examination. Okay, now this question again, previous year question is, what is the minimum number of moves required to transform the figure first into the second figure? One move is defined by removing one coin and placing it to a place where it touches other two coins. Okay, so you need to find out that what is the how do you actually change the format in order to get this figure. Okay, give it a try to this question, everyone. Read the question carefully, you'll get the answer. And observe it, analyze it, you'll easily solve the answer. This is an analytical based question. Get the answer for this. Okay, most of you have marked the answer too. Very good. Let's check how to solve it. Very good, everyone got the correct answer. Yes, the answer for this question is option number B. So how to get these type of questions? You need to observe it very carefully. Okay, so you need to make this figure into this figure. Okay, so how can you do it? First, take up this particular ball and place it over here. Okay, so what will you be getting as and when you place it? So you have two of these, 1 2 1 1 and 1, right? And we have placed this, the one that was over here, we have placed it here. So this black came over, this yellow one came over here, right? Second, what you can do, just pick up this particular and place it over here. That is, place this over here. As a result, you will be getting this particular diagram. So answer for this particular question is option number B. All of you got the answer correct. Very good, excellent. Everyone got the answer correct, and this was a previous year question itself. So you can see, by practicing these questions during your preparation times, would give you an extra edge from all the other students who are completely neglecting the general aptitude. Okay, so I would suggest you, do not neglect general aptitude at any cost. Okay, try to do at least 5 to 6 questions on daily basis from this particular section. It would work as a rank booster for you all. I can like literally assure you this, that if you are doing 5 to 6 questions daily in the exam, you will have an extra edge from all the other students, and you will be able to score much better. Because sometimes in the exam there are chances we might forget some kind of theories, facts. So if you by chance lag in some theory and you compensate it with the help of part A, then the chances of you getting selected with a very good score are much higher, right? Even I was not very much confident in general aptitude initially, but I made sure that every day I'll be doing 6 questions, nothing more, nothing less, but I'll be solving out 6 questions on daily basis, no matter I get the question right or wrong. So it helped me gain that confidence that in the exam I was able to solve 9 questions, and 9 into 2, 18 marks was added in my score just from general aptitude, which most of the students tends to skip, right? So I just want to give you this idea that having general aptitude as your strong point, not even very strong, even if it is average, you can solve out 6 to 7 questions very easily. Take up any paper of general aptitude of any year part A and try to solve it. You will see some questions are very easy, that it won't take you more than a minute to solve it, and you can get 2 marks additional for no extra put in from your end. Okay, so try not to avoid part A. We have done more than 20 classes on the YouTube platform on like from February. I guess we are doing so many marathons, and some of them were conducted in January as well. All of these, in every class we have done 2 previous year general aptitude questions. So try going through all the marathon classes. They are very important. Every class would give you 5 practice questions. Okay, so try to put in your time into something useful, and then try to have an extra edge from all the other students who are also preparing. Okay, so this was about it. If you have any doubt, you can ask, right? Otherwise, these were the questions that I bought for today's class. Okay, and in every class I give you one or the other suggestion. From this class, take up this suggestion from my end. Do not skip general aptitude. It's very important, because it gives you an extra edge. It provides you those additional marks which helps you to boost your rank. Okay, so make sure that you remember about it. Okay, you're welcome, Arup. And from Monday we are starting off with a new marathon in a different format, maybe unit wise or maybe topic wise. I'll let you know. So make sure you all are joining in the marathon classes. I am trying my level best to provide you the content on the YouTube platform as well. So join in large numbers, get the benefit of these free classes. And if you are interested in having structured revision with us, you can join us in this crash course. It is running on daily basis. early morning 8:30 to 10 o'clock you will be getting PYQ pointers hard copy. Yes, Def Bio के भी PYQ कराए जाएंगे बच्चे. And if you wish to have the PYQ pointers hard copy, so in this crash course only you'll be getting these. Okay, so make sure you join in every day. If you wish, you can join in the crash course. It would help you out for sure. We have many students joining in our crash course on daily basis, so you can also join, study with us in an interactive manner and get your doubts clear if any, and also revise in a very organized manner. Okay, because sometimes revision might become monotonous, so this course would help you to revise easily, and also you'll have a track of your complete revision. Okay, so this was about it. Thank you for joining in. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, we are done for this week's marathon. And everyone, it's a festival season. Do not make yourself so much engrossed that you forget the studies. Enjoy the festival as well, but also make sure that you are studying properly and do not play with bad colors. Otherwise, you'll be sick and you won't be able to continue your preparation. Okay, so thank you everyone. All the best, good luck, and any doubt, anything, Botany Insider is here to help. You can WhatsApp us, you can download the application and get yourself enrolled in the courses. Okay, bye everyone, take care.